Hello everyone, Professor Zeeb here, and I just thought I would drop you guys a line just to kind of keep in touch with you. I know when you sign up for these online classes, which apparently everyone is doing these days because of the COVID-19 stuff, it gets a little impersonal and sometimes you can't really connect with your professor. So I want to make sure that I'm here for you guys and made that effort to contact you at least in somewhat of a personal way by giving you a video message here, okay? So I just want to say, you know, it's been really great working with you guys all semester here, and I know that we're officially back in action now, so I hope that you've made that transition okay. You know, this whole crazy situation that we're in now, it's just unbelievable, unprecedented, and quite a historical time frame. You know, this is something we're going to be telling our grandkids about, definitely. I mean, it's just, I wake up every morning thinking, wow, I can't even believe this is happening. But anyway, this is what we're forced into. We're sort of having to deal with this, the stay-at-home order and taking classes online for all the classes and things like that. So I wanted to give you some updates and some announcements here. So I wanted to update you on our cognitive program discussion assignment, which you guys just turned in. I'm about 90% done grading that, so I'm almost finished with that. So once I finish reading those, I will then post the grades and comments online. So I would expect those to be available sometime on Wednesday, so please be patient. So if you did turn it in on time, expect your grade to be released sometime on Wednesday, I'm expecting. Really important announcement, guys. I know I have posted this online, but our drop deadline has changed. Okay, so once again, it is May 1st. They've officially delayed the drop deadline. And I think really the reason the college did that is to accommodate students who were taking face-to-face classes and then were sort of forced into this online format, which they weren't expecting and, you know, obviously didn't want to do in the first place. So it's to give them some time to kind of feel out the class and figure out if this is really what they want to do going forward. It really doesn't affect us much in our online format, but it's also kind of nice because it gives you more time to decide if you do want to continue with the class. So some of you are sort of in this precarious position where you may be failing or near failing. So it's giving you more time to decide that. But guys, please think about that because I cannot emphasize GPA enough. You don't want to stay in a class where you're getting a D or F because that's really going to affect your GPA. So please think about that, but you do have more time to officially make that decision in terms of the drop deadline. In terms of grading, from this point on, after our last discussion assignment, I will be grading the assignments alphabetically backwards, okay? So that's to sort of even things out in terms of the response rates and the return rates of your grades. And believe me, as someone whose last name starts with the Z, I can kind of understand having to wait forever when your teacher grades things alphabetically, which I do. So starting with our Chapter 9 assignment, which you're working on this week, I will be grading those assignments alphabetically backwards. So if you're at the end of the alphabet, you can expect to get those back pretty quick. People at the beginning of the alphabet, you've been getting your assignments back pretty quick, so it will be a slight delay there, okay? All right, so I've had to adjust our schedule because of the delay with the virus and they shut down the campus and so forth. So really the major change comes with the last week. Originally, I had sort of envisioned Chapter 15, our last chapter, to be 2 weeks, but now I've compressed it into 1 week, so I want to make sure you're aware of that. There will only be one assignment for that chapter, but there will be 2 quizzes, and all of that will happen in the last week of class. And remember, our class officially ends on that Thursday of the last week. So to kind of accommodate you and help you out, I'm going to be releasing that chapter early to give you more time to kind of work on that, okay? Because obviously it's an important chapter. It's your last graded situation in the class here, and I know a lot of you are really depending on that. So I want to give you some bonus time to work on that. So make sure you have enough time to complete it. But just kind of prepare yourself for that. That last week will be a little rushed because we had to catch up some of the instruction time because of the delays, all right? I just want to mention that I do have office hours every Friday from 9 to 10. You know, I feel like no one's taking advantage of that. It's definitely crickets for sure on Friday mornings from 9 to 10. But remember, if that time and day does not work for you, we can always arrange something, and we can even meet through Zoom. I'm really liking Zoom. It's a great way to kind of communicate with students. In fact, I'm using that to record this announcement. So if Friday mornings do not work out for you, please just email me some available times. And obviously my schedule's a lot more flexible because I'm having to stay home because of the whole situation. So if you'd want to, sort of discuss things and so forth in person, meeting through the screen in this particular case, I can definitely accommodate you. So I just want to throw that out there. All right. Remember to email me if you have any questions, or we can meet through Zoom as we said. So I'm really good about answering emails now because I have a lot more time because I'm at home checking the email a lot more. So if you ever have questions, just please let me know. And I also want to say as we conclude this that I hope you guys are staying healthy. I hope all of you and your families are healthy and safe. I just want to wish you the best in working out the rest of the semester here. It's been quite a strange semester and just a weird situation that we're all sort of caught up in at this time, but we will get through it. Remember, I'm here to assist you in any way that I can. And I also want to mention that the college has been really good about providing resources for students. So if you're struggling in some area or you need assistance, please let me know. That's what I'm here for. I definitely want to help you in any way that I can as your instructor and professor in psychology. All right. So keep trudging on, guys. It's going to be a great finish to the semester. This is the point in the semester where you just want to put your head down and push forward so we can finish it out. We do have a bit of time left, but obviously you want to try your best in any way that you can. All right. So I will see all of you online. I hope you're enjoying the class. And like I said, I hope you're all staying healthy, and we'll see you soon.